Welcome back, divers, for part 2 of your PADI Discover technical diving experience with Dive Zone Scuba. In this video, we are going to discuss gear familiarization. This is Chris with Dive Zone Scuba for another technical diving tips, techniques, and trips video. For this video, we'll be specifically talking about the harness, plate, and wing, the primary back mount twin set, and the decompression cylinder. This is an example of a plate and harness. The plate serves as the base on which the harness and the wing and the tanks are installed. In this case, we have a stainless steel plate, although plates can also be made out of aluminum, titanium, and plastic. In this image, you can also see the harness. In general, harnesses will be made out of 2-inch webbing. Like recreational BCDs, there are some harnesses that are adjustable and also have quick release buckles. This component is commonly known as the wing. It is the air bladder that is used to adjust your buoyancy underwater. Like a recreational BCD, a wing has an inflator attached to a hose attached to the bladder. On the bottom right is also a dump valve, which may or may not be present in a recreational BCD. This is used to more efficiently release air when the diver is in a horizontal position. The wing is attached to the rest of the rig using the grommets in the center of the wing. In technical diving, there are a number of different ways that a diver can carry their primary breathing gas. In this Discover Tech diving experience, we'll be using what is known as a manifolded back mount twin set. The tanks are held together by the manifold and also an upper and lower tank band. There is a short section of threaded rod and a set of nuts that clamp the tank bands onto the tank. The section of threaded rod is also used to mount the wing and also the plate into one rigid unit. It is very important to ensure that the wing nuts or threaded knob that is used to secure everything together is tight before you dive. Here we have the regulators mounted on the right tank valve post and on the left tank valve post. On our right post regulator, we have a second stage regulator on a 7-foot hose. And we also have the inflator hose for our wing. On the left post regulator, we have a second stage regulator on a necklace, and we also have our submersible pressure gauge. In use, the submersible pressure gauge is actually attached using a bolt snap to a D-ring on our left-hand side waist. The last piece of gear that we'll be discussing today is the decompression cylinder. In this case, our decompression cylinder is a 40 cubic foot aluminum tank. The Deco tank has a rigging kit which consists of nylon webbing and bolt snaps that are used to secure the tank to the diver. The decompression tank has first and second stage regulators and also a submersible pressure gauge. Decompression cylinders have a higher content O2 than the diver's primary tank back gas. The higher content O2 in the decompression cylinder allows the diver to conduct accelerated decompression. This allows the diver to fulfill their decompression obligation faster than if they were using primary tank back gas. In the following classroom session, we will be fitting each diver participating in the experience with a standardized technical dive rig. This includes the harness, plate, wing, set of doubles and 2 regulators, and also the decompression tank and decompression tank regulator. The third video in this series will provide a preview of the few technical diving skills that we'll be doing in this experience. We will be discussing weighting and trim, how to respond to out of breathing gas situations, the staging of the decompression bottle, and also the deployment of the surface marker buoy. If you join us for the in-water session of this experience, we'll also be conducting those skills in person. This is Chris with Dive Zone Scuba. Thanks for watching.